6 Best Floor Jack for SUV. Tired of struggling with your SUV's tire changes or oil work? You want a heavy-duty hydraulic floor jack with a strong lifting capacity and low profile to fit under those tall vehicles. We'll review the strongest, most dependable car jacks built for SUVs and light trucks right now. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best floor jack for SUV. Let's get started. Number 1. Jack Boss 3-ton low-profile aluminum and steel racing floor jack. If you are searching for the best floor jack for an SUV, the Jack Boss 3-ton model is an excellent place to start. The low-profile design allows this jack to slide under SUVs with limited ground clearance. Dual-piston quick-lift technology helps raise your vehicle faster using fewer handle pumps. This saves time and reduces physical effort during routine maintenance or tire changes. Its lifting range easily supports compact SUVs, midsize SUVs, and even many full-size models. The wide stance and solid saddle provide stable contact with factory lift points. Once the SUV is raised, the jack feels secure and well-balanced. The long handle improves leverage and makes pumping smooth and controlled. Large wheels roll easily across concrete floors, helping you position the jack precisely. The powder-coated red finish also helps protect against rust and long-term wear. Verdict: this floor jack is best for SUV owners who want fast lifting, solid stability, and easy handling. It's a reliable all-around choice for home garage SUV maintenance. Number 2. VEVOR 3-ton low-profile heavy-duty steel racing floor jack. The VEVOR 3-ton low-profile floor jack is designed for SUV owners who need strength, stability, and long-term reliability. Dual-piston quick-lift technology helps raise your SUV faster with fewer handle strokes. This makes routine jobs like tire rotations and brake work much more efficient. A wide lifting saddle improves contact with factory jack points, helping prevent slipping during lifts. Large rear wheels allow smoother positioning on garage floors. The long handle offers excellent leverage and controlled pumping. This jack feels planted and secure once the SUV is off the ground. The added weight of steel enhances stability during longer maintenance sessions. It is well suited for home garages and semi-professional use. For SUV owners who perform regular maintenance, durability matters. This jack delivers consistent performance without complicated features. Its simple yet rugged design makes it dependable over time. Verdict: the VEVOR floor jack is best for SUV owners who want a strong, steel-built jack for frequent and demanding garage work. It delivers confident, durability, and smooth lifting performance. Number 3. AV Steel 3-ton heavy-duty hydraulic floor jack. The AV Steel 3-ton hydraulic floor jack focuses on simplicity and dependable SUV lifting performance. It's built for users who want a straightforward tool without advanced mechanisms. The heavy-duty steel frame provides reliable support during everyday maintenance. Wide wheels allow the jack to roll smoothly across garage floors. Positioning the jack under the vehicle feels easy and stable. The saddle design grips factory jack points securely during tire changes or inspections. Once lifted, the SUV feels balanced and supported. Operation remains simple with a minimal learning curve. This jack is ideal for occasional SUV maintenance rather than high-speed workshop use. Its design prioritizes reliability over speed. Fewer moving parts also reduce maintenance concerns. Verdict: the AV Steel floor jack is best for SUV owners who want an affordable, simple, and reliable lifting solution. It's perfect for basic maintenance and casual home garage use. Number 4. Yellow Jacket 3-ton full aluminum ultra-lightweight floor jack. The Yellow Jacket 3-ton floor jack is built for SUV owners who value speed and portability. Its full aluminum construction makes it significantly lighter than traditional steel jacks. This lightweight design improves maneuverability and ease of storage. Despite its lighter build, it safely supports SUVs up to 6,600 pounds. Dual-pump quick-rise technology lifts vehicles faster with fewer handle strokes. This feature saves time and reduces physical effort during repeated lifts. Aluminum construction also resists rust better than steel alternatives. This makes it suitable for long-term use in various environments. This jack is especially useful for mobile mechanics or frequent garage work. Moving it between vehicles feels effortless. It delivers professional-level performance without heavy weight. Verdict: the Yellow Jacket Floor Jack is best for SUV owners who want lightweight handling and fast lifting. It's ideal for frequent use, mobile work, and performance-focused garages. Number 5. Maxority 3-ton low-profile dual-piston steel floor jack. The Maxority 3-ton low-profile floor jack offers a balance of power, speed, and convenience. Its heavy-duty steel construction provides dependable strength for lifting SUVs safely. The low-profile design allows easy positioning under most modern SUVs. Dual-piston hydraulics raise the vehicle faster with fewer pumps. This reduces fatigue during repeated lifting tasks. A built-in foot pedal adds extra convenience during operation. The magnetic pad keeps tools secure and within reach while working. Every feature supports a smoother workflow. For frequent maintenance tasks, speed and comfort matter. This jack delivers both without sacrificing durability. It fits well in home and semi-professional garages. Verdict: the Maxority floor jack is best for SUV owners who want fast lifting and added convenience features. It's ideal for efficient, comfortable, and organized garage work. Number 6. Powerbuilt 3-ton all-in-one hydraulic bottle jack and jack stand. The Powerbuilt 3-ton all-in-one jack offers a unique safety-focused design for SUV owners. It combines a bottle jack and jack stand into a single unit. This eliminates the need for separate support stands. The wide base improves stability, especially on uneven surfaces. It is designed for SUVs, trucks, trailers, and larger vehicles. The lifting height supports SUVs with higher ground clearance. This jack is compact and easy to store inside a vehicle. The integrated stand provides extra peace of mind during repairs. It reduces setup time during emergencies. This jack is not intended for low-clearance vehicles. However, it excels where stability and safety are priorities. It's a practical solution for on-the-go SUV owners. Verdict: the Powerbuilt all-in-one jack is best for SUV owners who prioritize safety and portability. It's an excellent choice for roadside repairs and emergency preparedness. Which best floor jack for SUV should you buy? Choosing the best floor jack for an SUV depends on how often you work on your vehicle and what features matter most. If you want a strong, all-around option for regular garage use, the Jack Boss delivers fast lifting and solid stability. For frequent or heavy-duty maintenance, the VEVOR steel floor jack offers durability and long-term reliability. If you prefer simple, no-frills performance, the VEVOR steel jack is great for basic SUV maintenance. Need lightweight handling and quick lifting? The Yellow Jacket aluminum jack is perfect for speed and portability. For added comfort and convenience, the Maxority dual piston jack makes repeated lifting easier. If safety and portability matter most, especially for emergencies, the Powerbuilt all-in-one jack is the smartest choice.